Hi guys, today I'm sharing a Christmas decor haul. Hi guys, so I've been picking up things. I've found some really beautiful things for Christmas, so today is a Christmas haul. I'm going to turn this camera around and let's get started. So I have picked up things from Ross, Ikea, Burlington Coat Factory, Joann Fabric, Hobby Lobby, the 99-cent store, Amazon, and there might be even a few other places in here. So let's dive in. What I'm going to do is actually divide it up so you know where things are from, and then show you guys what I'm finding and how much everything costs. Okay, so the first things I'm going to show you guys are all from the 99-cent store. I grew up going to the 99, and now they've got a lot of stuff that is not 99 cents. The first thing I got was this wooden cutting board. It was $8. It's 24 by 10. I love the tone of wood on that, and I thought that was a really good price. I also got this to do some organization. Lots coming up that I need to keep track of. So for $3.99, I thought this would be really handy. This is not from the 99. That is actually from Ikea. We'll get to them next. I did get 3 of these 4-pack of placemats for $3.99. I think these will be great on the dining table. And then these are awesome for food storage. $2.99. I did get 2. I love things like this that I can put like fruit in and just have easy access to. And that price was amazing. Okay, my favorite item. They only had 3, but how gorgeous are these bells? So they were 99 cents. They had them in red and green as well, but they only had 3 in the gold. So I did pick them up. I was hoping to find a couple more, but this is what they had. I just love the shape on this. I just think it's super pretty, unique. I also got these. I had gotten a few of these a few years back for my daughter's tree, and they're beautiful, so I just wanted to pick up a few more, and they had them. So there's 2 snowflakes. They're sort of a pink for 99 cents. I also got some of these stars that I just think are beautiful for 99 cents. So it does come in like a true gold and more of like a champagne gold. So I got a few in each. I had picked up some of these last year, but they didn't have many, so I was able to get a few more. And then this, oh my goodness, you guys. So you just look at that and you're like, what? It was $1.50, so getting kind of pricey over here. It's this gorgeous gold metal star. It does have a chain. I'm probably gonna just remove the chain and use the hanger. I'm going to use these as ornaments. It does say that it's an ornament. I don't know that it would hang well on a tree from a chain like that, but I thought they were gorgeous. So I think I picked up like 12. This is just right up my alley. I was so happy to find these. Last year I got a bunch of these. I love this because it's gold, but it's not covered in glitter. So I did pick up quite a few of these. They're just great little picks to add to your tree for some color. And then for the pooch, I like picking up little baby blankets for our dog because they're smaller. Yeah, the toy just kind of came with it. But I just thought that that was a great deal. $5. You can't find anything for that price. So just thought that was a really nice little blanket for him. They also had some pet sweaters, so I got him this one for $2.99 for his cold winters here in Texas. They also had these that I had seen a while back, my last trip in, and I didn't pick them up then. They stayed on my mind. So this is a set of 3 black woven trivets. I love these for like when you're entertaining or you've got, you're setting up dinner and you've got something hot to set down. So these are the smaller ones. You get 3 for $2.99. I got 2 packs of this one, so I would have 4 in total. $2.99. So that was $3, but they're a good size. So with Thanksgiving around the corner, I picked those up. I was also thinking of Thanksgiving when I got this set of mini tongs. So you get two. They had them in black, which I really like, and they were $2, so $1 a piece. That beats Dollar Tree. I got a ton of these. I bought these as a Christmas gift to myself. $2.99, so $3 for two. They're just a really nice material. They seem like they'll be very absorbent, neutral, and I always need dish towels. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know about this. I picked up some garland. I got a great deal on it. So it is actually originally $40. I ended up getting it for $10. It was on sale for $15.99, and then there was an additional 20% off, and somehow it worked out to be $10. So it does call it a Norfolk pine. It does look more like cedar. I'm really happy with it. I'm super, super happy with it. So it's much more to my liking. I had some prior that was like a grapevine style, and that stuff just makes such a mess. And this is that Real Touch, which I think will store a lot more compact than traditional tinsel garland. So I did pick up 6. They also had this that I just couldn't leave behind. It was originally $13. Let me see what it's even called. Holiday Floral. If you don't know, Joann's is in trouble of going out of business, and I hope that's not true, but I love their sales, and they have a lot of great coupons on their app. It just says it's a holiday floral bush, so I thought that was very pretty. It worked out to be, I think, like $5, maybe some change. Next up is Ikea. I just picked up a few things. I was needing some more of the glasses we have. We have these. We've had them for years and years and years. When I get a few that are looking kind of dingy or they've seen better days, which is very rare, I had this on my mind to go by and pick up. And honestly, I just love looking at all of their wrapping paper. So I was able to pick up 3 rolls. This one has tiny little gold garland. It almost looks like bells. So pretty. And then I got some of their gold last year. I was very happy with it. And I did get 2 of their stars. So they have their Christmas out. I'm going to be totally honest. I wasn't impressed. This year just is lacking. But I love their fold-out stars. This one is white, trimmed in gold. And I did get 2 of them. You'll be seeing those very soon. So next up, I'm going to show you guys Burlington, Ross, and Hobby Lobby. But I have to mention, I got these pillow covers from Amazon. I had some oversized pillows that I had purchased for like $3.99 at HOMEGOODS on clearance. And I love this. This is their, I think it's called olive green. They've got the zippers up on top just really well. It looks very tailored. So I can maybe put in a little picture so you guys can see if you're interested in those. I don't have a storefront on Amazon, but I think these are really nice. I'm gonna probably use these year round, and they also go great for Christmas. All right, Burlington. I'm always looking for natural things like this to use in vases, and this is just some beautiful like birch looking twigs, $8.99. And there was just so many of them. I'm not going to be using this for Christmas, but I thought it was a great deal, so I picked those up. I love the wrapping paper at Burlington, especially their gift bags. So this one, you can see you get 1, 2, 3, 4 bags for $2.99, and they're nice. They also have really heavy ribbon. What would those be? Handles. So definitely take a look. Now, you guys know I love the Dollar Tree, but this just blows Dollar Tree out of the water. So I picked those up. I also got some of their rolls. Now, I've noticed that HOMEGOODS wrapping paper, I really love it, but I think their prices have gone up. These are $3.99 and it's the same quality. So this one's gold trees and then some beautiful snowflakes. Now, I've been looking for a stocking for our dog for a while. We've had him like 4 or 5 years. I liked this. I'm probably going to take off the red bow, but it's just a bone. It was $7.99 at Burlington. It's that really nice Sherpa. I just think that that's cute. It goes with the style of all of our other stuff too. Now, I'm also always on the hunt for reindeer that are not all facing the same way so that you can sort of bookend them like this. And I found these last night at Burlington. Now, this fur thing, it's just fabric. I'm going to be cutting that off, and I'm actually going to be sort of antique golding them, and I think they're going to be gorgeous. They were $9.99 a piece. I love that they're a heavy plastic. I don't have to worry about like ceramic breaking. I'm thrilled with this. So this one's got his little leg up. So they are slightly different, but $9.99 a piece. And they had to come home. They'll get a slight little makeover, but I'm happy with that. I found this stocking and I thought it was gorgeous. It's not the traditional sort of woven sweater with the detail down the center. I just love this. It was $9.99 at Burlington. They have some beautiful things. So if you have a Burlington, check them out. And I fell in love with this tree skirt. Now, most years, I just put blankets, tablecloths, sheets. I get creative around the bottom of my tree. But this I absolutely loved. It looks like a cozy blanket and right color, and it was $19.99. So it came home. And then I got a tablecloth. So it's sort of a cream with just a little bit of gold sparkle. It's hard to find them long enough. This one's 102. I think this will work. And it was only $12.99. Okay, now just two things from Dollar Tree. I did get this roll of paper. I thought it was really pretty. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." Actually, it just says, "Have yourself a very Merry Christmas." So I like to coordinate it. You guys have probably picked up on that by now. And they also have these gift bags. This is a really nice, heavy gold. Not really cheap or like foil. And it's a 2-pack for $125. So I wish they had more. I probably would have picked up a couple more. And then at Walmart, I was headed in for my turkey last night. And I looked at their floral section and they had these out. They are 98 cents. Blows Dollar Tree out of the water. They do have some glitter, which is kind of the bane of my existence, but they're mostly just like a metallic pick. So I love that they're a fern. It'll add some texture in my greenery and my tree. Hobby Lobby. So I had seen this. It's been on my mind. This is just a beautiful piece. It comes in the black frame or the gold. So it's like a handmade paper, and you just couldn't get a more beautiful saying. And it's got the star. This was $16, so 50% off was $8. Now this was also Hobby Lobby. Now 50% off as well. So it was $16, and I matched it on purpose. I bought two. I took the other one back last night. To the pillow covers. I brought that in to show you guys. I bought that pillow cover from Walmart online last year for Christmas, and it just matches perfectly for one of the areas in our house. So that's why there was definitely some reasoning behind that. Now, I'm helping with a little thing at church, and so I needed some cream ribbon. It's covered in glitter, but it's enough ribbon, and it's a beautiful cream wired ribbon. $5, and I got this. These are going to be little gifts. So this was $4.50, but you get 6 wooden angels. So I thought that was nice. And they had some really pretty ornaments. So this was $2. It's got the little scroll, Holy in Gold. And then A Savior is Born. So this one was $2.50. And this one's gorgeous. Silent Night on the wood. Love this. This one was $3.50. And then they also had the Nativity in a metal. I got 2 of these. These were only $1.50 a piece from $2.99. So gorgeous. That's Hobby Lobby. Now Ross. Oh, I got in trouble at Ross. it doesn't look like I got in a lot of trouble, but I fell in love with these ornaments. They're gorgeous. They're huge. They were $3.99 a piece. Now, I don't buy things usually that are glass, and I don't buy things that are expensive, but to me, $3.99 for an ornament is expensive. So I found 5 at one Ross, and then 2 weeks later, I was in my Ross and found 5 more. So I'm just thrilled. They're all, not all different. There's only one of this. And oh no, there's not. There's another one here. So I got 2 of this one. There was only 1 snowflake. There are 2 of this pattern. And then there's a lot with the gold leaves on them. Just think they're stunning. Couldn't pass them up. And I found these that are wooden snowflakes. So they were $3.99, but they came in a 2-pack. So wood on one side, the gold beads on the other. I got 2, so they're $2 a piece essentially. And then I got this. So out front, I don't really do a leaning sign, but I do have like a brick clip that I wanted to put something on, and I thought this was perfect. I might take some gold paint and just brush over the nativity scene at the bottom because it is a raised piece of wood, and it was all of $8. So that came home with me as well. Now, in addition to all this, Honeywell sent me another tree. I like the first one so much, so let's go out and take a look. So Honeywell sent me this tree, big thanks to them. I loved the one for our great room. That was in my last Christmas decor haul, so I can link that in case you're interested. My thought is to put it in a corner of our dining room. So this is the Regal Fir by Honeywell. It's 6.5 feet. It is a real touch. Now, does anyone else do this? This is my little hack. I put the top on my base before I set up my tree to fluff the top, so I'm not spending time on the ladder to go ahead and fluff all those tips on the top. Now, it's gorgeous. I love that it has the bright white lights. They alternate to color. It has the foot pedal, and it will alternate between the 2 lights. I just think it's a little bit too wide for the area and the space, so I'm gonna have to find a different place to use it. But how gorgeous is this? It definitely has that noble fir look. So if you're interested and in the market, I'll have a link in the description for you guys, along with a coupon code. I'm not sponsored. I just wanted to share this tree with you because I was so happy with the first one that they sent me, and a big thanks to Honeywell. I'm thrilled with the trees. I think they make a beautiful Christmas tree at an affordable price. And now I have my work cut out. Decorating, are you decorated? Comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you guys back very soon.